Hello again, ja będę here. Today we are going to take a closer look to another pin tumbler from DOM company that I announced in a previous video. Today it will be the DOM Sigma. DOM Sigma has 6 pins in the main stack and some passive pins on both sides of the core that prevent the use of an unauthorized key. We will see the guts at the moment, and we will talk about the strategy. For picking, I will use this multi-pick Elite F31 0.5mm hook and that tensioner. Okay, so let's see the guts. Alright, here we have all internals from our DOM RS Sigma. Here you have beating. As you can see, very high cuts. Pin number 4 is quite low, but it's only one. Alright, let's start from the drivers. Here we have characteristic DOM barrels, as I call them. They work very similar to T-pins. That means after setting them, they are much like to fall off, and you will have to come back to the pin and set it a second time. We have here two spools which have very high cuts, so picking them, so lifting these spools requires a lot of precision and may cause that the remaining barrels will probably be slightly dropped and you will have to set them again. Take a look on the core. Maybe it will be visible. On each core, on each keeping chamber we have slightly over milling, and that interacts with this narrowed part of the drivers, so during the picking drivers will be drop off and fall into the over milling, and you will be have to pick each of these barrels again. Let's take a look on the keyway. Looks relatively wide and open, but wording here limits the space quite a bit, and there isn't much of it for operating the pick. Okay, in the housing we have 6 driver chambers, and we have these 2 grooves that interact with the passive pins, which they are arranged in 2 rows on the top of the side key and protect precisely against the use of an unauthorized key. Okay, so that will be all from the internals. Let's pick this lock. Alright, DOM RS Sigma. So let's pick clockwise tension, and number 2 is pointing. 3, 4 and 5 are loose. 6, number 1, number 2, and again number 6. Number 1, 3, and 1, 2, and 6. And just look, it's some kind of ping pong. Okay, let's check number 4. Okay, and 2 spools, number 3 and number 5. Number 2 was dropped. Okay, we have false it again, and spool on number 5. Number 2 again, and we have an open. Okay, so let's get this lock. Now, passive pins. They like to fall off. Okay. Number 1, number 2, now number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Okay. Passive pins are outside as well. Okay. And drivers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and springs. Okay, here we have housing, nothing's left. Alright, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.